Chers amis, première question, on y va franchement. Écoutez bien. Does everyone love Donald Trump in the US?
No, not everyone loves Donald Trump in the US. I think it's pretty divided, 50-50. Maybe more don't like him, but there's a lot of contention between people because if the people don't like Trump, they really don't like Trump.
Okay.
Yeah. The people who like Trump really, really like Trump. So there's no in between. There's no neutrality. No
Okay,
neutrality.
got it. So it's not everyone loves, right?
Yeah, not everyone loves Trump.
Donc là, faites attention à ne pas vous faire avoir par le français. Tout le monde n'aime pas, sauf qu'en anglais, everyone is considered as a collective noun, so it's singular. Okay? C'est singulier, donc troisième personne du singulier. Vous n'oubliez pas le S du présent simple, chers amis. Okay? Perfect. Thank you very much, Nicole. Do Americans want to learn foreign languages?
Yes, I think for the most part they do. In middle school and high school, we have to learn a foreign language. I learned Italian in high school.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And French is offered, German, Japanese, I think Chinese now, and Italian. And Spanish, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
So many people speak Spanish in
It's
the
like
US.
the second language, yeah.
Middle school, le collège, d'accord? Collège, collègue. Oh my God. Je voulais voir si vous le suiviez, tout simplement. Oui, oui.
So yeah, we are very curious about other languages. Yeah.
Which is good,
Yeah.
in my opinion, in my humble opinion.
Yeah.
Could you please repeat this sentence like normally?
Do Americans want to learn foreign languages?
Do Americans want to learn foreign or foreign?
Foreign.
Alors faites attention parce que ça c'est reign, le règne, reign, mais on dit foreign avec déjà un accent tonique ici, foreign et pas foreign, ok? Foreign, languages, et ça c'est prononcé comme un i court. C'est assez rare que le A soit prononcé comme un i court, mais là c'est bien le cas et ça sera d'autant plus facile à faire si vous mettez bien l'accent tonique ici. Languages, right?
Yep.
Could you please say these two words for me?
Foreign languages.
Once again.
Foreign languages.
Okay, it's time to repeat. Guys, go ahead.
Foreign languages.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Got a question for you. Do you think that French is hard or easy?
I think it is difficult with speaking, but it's easy when I'm writing and reading because I recognize many words that are similar to English. However, if I try to speak French, a lot of you may have heard me speak French, very difficult to pronounce.
To pronounce?
Yes, very difficult.
So the pronunciation of French is hard for you?
Yes, and the conjugations.
Okay.
Yeah.
And pronunciation of English is hard for us.
Yeah, but we have to try.
And no, we have to do it.
Yeah, we do it, yeah.
Exactly. Well, got a question about your French once again. How many times a week do you practice French?
I practice every day for, depending on the time I have, for 1 to 4 hours.
What?
I practice a lot.
Wow.
I practice on the apps, the applications. I read novels in French. I write in French. And I watch TV in French. And I practice vocabulary. And depending on how much time I have, and on the weekends, I practice speaking French. I think I need to do that more often, but...
Okay. So, a novel, c'est un roman. Faites attention, c'est pas une nouvelle. So, 1 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
Without, we do not, you do not, you cannot, guys, pronounce the H here. C'est une des rares exceptions, le H ne se prononce pas. Hours, simplement. Okay? Exactly like this one. hours, notre. Oh là là,
Yeah.
je ne prononce même pas correctement en français. So, how many times a week do you practice? Practice. In American English, you have a C. In British English, you have a S. Practice. Okay, guys? Short A. Practice. French. French is always capitalized right here too. Okay, last question. What's your favorite dish?
Food.
Quel est ton plat préféré? La nourriture. Elle est pas mal, franchement. Elle passe tranquillement. What's your favorite dish? And you can answer food.
I like steak a lot.
Steak. Food. Okay.
Pizza. It's very typical.
So steak, pizza.
Burgers, hamburgers, yeah.
Which kind of burgers?
Just a regular cheeseburger.
Okay.
You have the hamburger and then the bread and cheese, pickles, things like that.
Pickle?
Pickle, yeah.
What is that? Do you know, I'm sure you know this word in French. Come on.
Cucumber?
Non, ça c'est concombre. No, not this one. Okay, this is not very important, guys. Just for the fun of it. Pickle. In French is?
Pickle.
Cornichon. I told you it's not very essential, huh? A pickle. Okay, thank you.
Corniche. Okay.
Cornichon. It's not Japanese like konnichiwa. No, cornichon. Sorry,
Cornichon.
very bad joke. I apologize. Okay.
If
it's too hot in here, so. What's your favorite dish? Favorite. Do not say your favorite. Bam. Ça, c'est casse-figure, si je puis dire, pour nous, francophones. Déjà, vous mettez l'accent tonique en premier, ça règle pas mal de choses. La première syllabe, la première voyelle se prononce comme une diphtongue. Favorite. Okay?
Favorite.
Et après, on n'entend presque pas le i. Comme un e atténué. Favorite. That's it. Favorite.
Perfect.
Favorite. Okay? Favorite. Dish. Okay, what's your favorite dish? Food. Ok, guys. J'espère que ça vous a plu ces vidéos tout en anglais. On continue évidemment demain à progresser. Et Nicole, tu le sais, tu peux t'abonner à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube en cliquant sur le bouton rouge juste en bas à droite. Si vous avez aimé cette vidéo, vous pouvez mettre un pouce bleu juste ici. Si vous avez des questions, des commentaires, vous mettez ça juste en dessous. Et bien évidemment, téléchargez aussi votre kit complet pour vous remettre à l'anglais. Pour ceci, rien de plus facile, vous cliquez sur le i en haut à droite, chers amis. À très bientôt. Talk to you tomorrow, guys. See ya, see you later, see you tomorrow. Vous vous souvenez, hein? See ya. Alors avec la majuscule, on fait ça correctement. C'est exactement la même chose que see you. Ça veut dire littéralement see you soon. À plus. OK? Bye bye. See ya. So guys, évidemment, c'est un cornichon. Hein. Je pense que je voulais l'air frais de la mer ou c'est un acte manqué à tous les coups. Pickle, un cornichon, OK? Bye bye.